Once upon a time, a mother goat lived in a small cozy house near the forest with her 7 little goats. She loved her children very much, and always took good care of them. One morning she said, "My dear children, I must go into the forest to bring food. While I am gone, do not open the door for anyone. The big bad wolf may come and try to trick you. You will know him by his rough voice and black paws." The 7 little goats promised. "Don't worry, Mother. We will be careful." Soon after the mother goat left, the wolf came to the house and knocked on the door. Little goats, open the door. Your mother has come home and brought something for each of you." But the little goats heard the deep, rough voice and said, "You are not our mother. Our mother has a soft, sweet voice. You are the wolf." The wolf became angry and went to a shop to buy chalk. He ate the chalk to make his voice softer. Then he returned and knocked again. "Little goats, open the door. Your mother has come home." This time his voice sounded sweet, but the little goats looked through the window and saw his black paws. "You are the wolf. Our mother has white paws, not black ones." The wolf ran to a baker and said, "Put some dough on my paws." Then he went to a miller and covered the dough with white flour. Now his paws looked white. He went back to the house and knocked again. "Little goats, open the door. Your mother has come home." The little goats saw the white paws and thought it was their mother. They opened the door. Suddenly, the wolf jumped inside. The frightened little goats ran to hide. One hid under the table, one in the bed, one in the oven, one in the cupboard, one behind the curtain, one in the wash basin, and the smallest goat hid inside the clock case. The wolf found 6 little goats and swallowed them quickly. But he could not find the smallest goat hidden in the clock. Then the wolf left the house and went into the forest. Soon the mother goat returned home. She saw the door open and the house in a mess. The smallest goat came out of the clock and told her everything. The mother goat cried sadly, but she went into the forest to look for the wolf. Soon they found him sleeping under a tree. His big stomach was moving, because the little goats were still alive inside. The clever mother goat cut open the wolf's stomach with scissors. One by one, the 6 little goats jumped out safely. Then they filled the wolf's stomach with big heavy stones and sewed it back up. When the wolf woke up, he felt very thirsty and went to the river to drink water. But the heavy stones pulled him down, and he fell into the water with a splash. The wolf was gone forever. The mother goat and her 7 little goats returned home happily and never opened the door to strangers again. Moral of the story: always be careful of strangers and listen to your parents.